Assalamualaikum. Today's topic of discussion is oxidation reduction reactions and their different types. So let's begin. There are four types of oxidation reduction reactions. Number one is combination, number two is decomposition, number three is displacement, and number four is combustion. So, what is combination reactions? As the name suggests, a combination of two reactions to form one product. A good example is the reaction of magnesium with air, as you can see. This is the combination reaction. Now, the two combination reactions actually occur when the magnesium was ignited in air. As you have seen in the video, magnesium reacted with both oxygen and nitrogen gases. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide, and when magnesium reacts with nitrogen, it forms magnesium nitrate. So, when we click on the reactants above, magnesium is oxidized. Its oxidation number changes from 0 to 2 plus. No, oxygen is not oxidized. So, from the reaction with oxygen, the oxidation step is this: magnesium turned into magnesium raised to power 2 plus 2 electrons. The reduction step is O2 plus 4 electrons to form 2O, 2 negative. To balancing the oxidation half fraction is multiplied by 2 so that 4 electrons are produced to equal the 4 electrons used in the reduction of half fraction. So, this is the balance equation. Magnesium oxide plus 4 electrons. Cancelling the electrons, the balance equation remains this. From the reaction with nitrogen, the oxidation step is the same. The reduction step is nitrogen plus 6 electrons to form 2 and 3 negative. To balance the equation, the oxidation half fraction is multiplied by 3 so that 6 electrons are produced to equal the 6 electrons used in the reduction of half fraction. So 3 Mg plus 6 Mg plus 2 in nitrogen equation, and by cancelling the electrons, the balance equation remains this: Mg3 and 2. So, what is decomposition reactions? Decomposition reaction occurs when one reactor decomposes to form two products. A good example is the reaction of mercury oxide to give elemental mercury and oxygen. This is mercury oxide. When it is decomposed, it gave mercury and oxygen molecules, which is reduced. No. So, sorry. Here the mercury is oxidized from plus 2 to 0. The reduction half fraction is this, and the oxidation half fraction is this. Multiplying the reduction step by 2 to balance the equation and the half fractions by cancelling the electrons, the balance equation remains this. So, what are the displacement reactions? Displacement reaction occurs when one element displaces another element from a compound during a chemical reaction. A good example is the reaction of sodium and water. When the sodium is dissolved in water, the resultant product is sodium chloride. So, you have seen this. When sodium is dissolved in water, the OH molecule from water is displaced with sodium to form two molecules of 2NaOH plus hydrogen gas is released. Reactant that is oxidized. Correct. Sodium is oxidized from 0 to positive. The oxidation half fraction is this, while the reduction half fraction is this. Multiplying the oxidation step by 2 and then cancelling the electron, then the balance equation is this: 2Na plus 2H2O from 2NaOH plus H2. In a large piece of sodium is added to water, the heat generated from the displacement reaction causes a second reaction to occur, that is, hydrogen combines with oxygen to form water molecule. This heat release, second oxidation reaction. You can see this. So, the displacement reaction has the same equation as before: 2Na plus H2 form 2NaOH plus H2. The combination reaction is 2H2O plus O2 to form two water molecules. The later reaction occurs in the gas phase and the energy released during the reaction takes the form of heat and light, as you have seen in the video. What are the combustion reactions? Occurs when a substance reacts with oxygen, usually with rapid generation of heat to produce a flame. A good example is the reaction of hydrogen with oxygen to form water molecule. And the molecule that is reduced, and the molecule is oxygen. So, how would you classify the following reaction? Magnesium plus iodine to form magnesium iodide, that is a combination reaction, as two products are combining to form a one product. So, sodium plus oxygen to form sodium chloride, this is also a combination reaction, as two products are combining, reactants are combining to form one product. This reaction is the decomposition displacement reaction. So, this reaction is combination reaction, heat plus 5 oxygen to form potassium oxide. This is decomposing as one product. Reactant is decomposing into two products, while this is a displacement reaction, as copper plus iron nitrate combine to form copper nitrate and iron. So, you have completed this activity of common types of oxidation reactant. For more videos, do subscribe to Subject Expert. Thank you.